For weeks now, we've been telling you about the work being done to restore the communities on Atlanta's west side. In Atlanta Public Schools, they're playing a big role in it.
Yeah, good schools are often the foundation of a good community. And the Hollis Innovation Academy is considered one of the building blocks on the west side. Our Keith Whitney was there today as the kids were treated to a workshop by the Alvin Ailey Dance Company.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2.
For second period class at Hollis Innovation Academy, they're learning a few steps from a little dance number called Revelations.
Keep going. 7 and 8.
And who better to teach the signature opus from the legendary genius Alvin Ailey than one of his dancers, Lisa Johnson-Williams.
You can't make that sound. Y'all know that's a move? Here we go. So you go, reach down. Hey. There's a person there, hey, and come back up. I'm just giving you the steps, and you bring the energy, and you bring like your spirit to the step to bring it alive. And they began to do that. We're all in this together.
The kids at Hollis represent a new start for the old school that used to be Kennedy Middle.
And unfortunately, the school system closed it several years ago. But understanding what the community needed, we reopened the school, rebranded the school.
And both arms up to the heaven and go. Circle. Again. And circle. Here we go. And go.
The lesson today is part of the Ailey Extension Program, which seeks to make the art of dance accessible to everyone.
Dance is an expression through movement. You are telling your story.
And what they can do in an hour will astound you.
Again, and circle. Here we go. And.
Talked about
All right.
That was really quite beautiful. Excuse me. You know, you may remember when Mayor Keisha Lance Bottoms talked about how important dance was to her when she was in middle school in Southwest Atlanta, like those kids. The Ailey Extension Program tries to bring that same feeling to other kids.
It was beautiful.
Yeah, it really was.
Tearing up a little bit. The kids at Hollis Academy, they seem to really get into it, too.
Yeah, you know, they did. And it was almost instantaneous how transformative that dance lesson was. And we're talking Revelations, you know, the Alvin Ailey Company. You know, they're going to be performing, by the way, in Atlanta next week. I can't go because I always cry in the first scene.
Because it's art. Every time you watch on stage, it is art in its purest form.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
And the kids did a great job,
You're going to show us the moves they taught you right here.
Oh, I won't be allowed. You don't want to see that.
Very nice.
We may need to help you out of some of those moves.
Very nice. We appreciate it.